Hi, if you want to use one-handed mode on iPhone 16e, then firstly let's enable it. For that we need to go in Phone Settings and find Accessibility section. After that scroll a bit down in the list, pick Touch and take a look at Reachability, which is basically one-handed mode. We need to enable this one by tapping on the switcher so it will light up green. And now to trigger one-handed mode, you need to swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into reach. So basically you need to do like that. And this is your one-handed mode. So you can scroll in it, you can pick some features, but as you can see, once you picked something, one-handed mode will be disabled. And to disable it manually as well, you can just tap any free space on the top screen or wait a couple of seconds and it will be turned off itself. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.